the iReporter tool. Okay, so now we're ready to start writing posts. We have all of our content saved in a stripped down text only format. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Quick Post. All right, now what I need to do is find where I put all that content. Now I put it on my desktop, but I'm just going to go ahead and I have quick access on my desktop here. For those that don't, what I would recommend you do is right click on Start and go into Explore. And this will bring you to all the folders that you have on your computer, and there is the folder for Sexy Lingerie for Sale. And I'm going to go ahead and open up the home page one. Easiest thing to do is you can either just highlight all the text, which you can do that way, or you can just go into Edit and do Select All, which will highlight it all for you. Then you can go ahead and edit, click on Edit again, or Copy, or what I like to do is right-click and copy. Does the same thing. Okay, I'm going to leave WordPad open because it'll, well, actually I'm going to close out because I know where it is now. I'll leave my Windows Explorer window available, and now I'm going to right-click and paste. Now there's all of the content stripped out without any links and information in it. Okay, so I guess what I shouldn't have done is closed out of my site, so I'm going to go ahead and open a browser. In case you do it this way, I'm going to open up another window, and I'm going to go back to my site so I can reference www.2 dot, and I had an extra space in there, so I'm going to go ahead and type in www.2 dot, that's where the existing microsite is, and there's all the content for the home page. Now, here's a couple cool things you can do. Now, we know that the title here is Sexy Baby Doll Lingerie. So, the other thing, let's go back to the moguling, and we have it right here in the keywords. I guess I could have looked right there. Sexy Baby Doll Lingerie. I'm going to right-click and copy. There's the name of the title of the page, Sexy Baby Doll Lingerie. Okay, so, and I'm just going to go ahead and put blog at the end because I'm going to change up the title. And now, remember that the label is essentially the keyword that we're looking to get marketed. So I'm going to add the label, and of course it's going to be the keyword that we're naming this page, which is Sexy Baby Doll Lingerie. Okay, so there's the label. There's the content stripped down. Now let's do a quick keyword density check and see how we're doing with the keywords. All right, so it looks like here we have almost 3.3% keyword concentration. Not bad. So what I would like to do at this point is add an image in there. Now, there's a couple different ways you can do it. What I would recommend is you get your cursor to the very beginning of where your text is, and then you're going to click on what is the picture that says Insert Image. And before we do that, I'm going to go back to my site, and I do see that there's some nice images in here and some banners. The easiest way to grab images off the internet that exist is you go over the image, you right-click, and it's going to go Save Picture As. And in this case, I want to save it in the folder that I set up, which is Sexy Lingerie, and I'm going to create a new folder in there called Images. And I'm just going to keep it here, and I do this all the time when I write blogs. And this one is Sexy Baby Doll Lingerie. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save that, which is open, and there we go. So now I'm going to go back to my blog post, and I'm going to go, I can either put it at the very beginning or I can put it at the end. And I think I'm going to put my cursor right at the beginning, and I'm going to click on that Insert Image icon. And this will bring you up to a window. If you haven't done this before, it's quite easy. Where it says Upload an Image, go ahead and click on the Browse and find where that folder is. it's bringing me right there to it, but in that case, I've created a folder called Images, and in there is, actually, I didn't save it in the right location. There it is, Sexy Baby Doll Lingerie. I didn't even save it in the Images folder. So I'm going to go ahead and upload that file, and there it is. I'm going to click OK, and there's the picture of the image. So you do have some formatting options here. You can select from aligning it on the left, top, right, middle, and I'm going to go ahead and align on the left. And then you have a thing which is called alt tag, and we've covered this before. Make sure you name that the keyword that that we're promoting for this blog, and in this case, it's Sexy Baby Doll Lingerie. Okay, so you have another thing where you can select from options. It seems like there already is one, so I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And there, I inserted the image right there in my post. So the post is ready to go, and I'm going to cover in the next video, since we're getting a little long here, on how to add commission junction links to this post. So we'll come back and revisit it. So I'm going to go ahead and click Publish. And there it is. Our post is published. Let's go quick check the blog, see how we're doing. And there it is. Got a nice picture, and we can go ahead and click on the Read More, and there's the full post. So in the next video, we're going to cover adding links